Hey, welcome back. I just want to do a quick video. I very carefully opened this radio from Jeff, and it takes two AA batteries. I didn't have any problem getting it open at all. I used a very wide flat screwdriver and it came right open. There's, you can see the innards, although my camera is not picking it up too well. Hey, camera, hello. Got a lot of shadows there from my lights. Batteries go right here. There's the antenna. Very clean inside. Yeah. So, Jeff, I got the batteries out, so I'll leave the batteries out. And thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.